This is a thick duvet and it's very difficult to wash. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to loosen the duvet and bring out the big foam inside it, and it will be a lighter bed sheet. So this is the bed sheet I extracted from the duvet. So can you see that it's lighter, very lighter now. So I'm using this foam to do a very big throw pillow. It's not going to waste. So this is me cutting the big lump of cotton into smaller shreds so that they can fit properly into the inner pillow that I'll be putting these shreds into. This is a gigantic pillow I made, and I used it to pack the shredded cotton inside the bag before putting it in the main bag that I will be showing you how I made. I got a big material and I cut it into 2 equal halves. I divided the upper part into 2 so that it can create a space for me to insert the gigantic pillow into it. I flipped it upside down and used the hemmed part to insert the gigantic pillow because this material was too thick for my machine and I had to make a neater work. I used glue gun to glue the edges together instead of sewing machine because they would break my needles and I would be frustrated. So this is the final product. I hope you love it. Yeah, it added beauty to our space. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Up next, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful table mat from an old handbag. Did you hear me?